Daniella DeNobrega, and I'm the Marketing and Design Manager at Messagemaker Displays. 7 years, and my first role was at Messagemaker, well, in Highways, and I was the marketing exec. I'd say just bringing the Messagemaker brand up, because when I joined it was a completely different company, and we just tweaked the branding, new website, just overhauled it. I haven't had many lows, which is quite good. I think I would have had confidence in myself sooner. I think I doubted myself for too many years. Documents to fill in, they're so long. Say, my granddad used to say, he used to say, it's about worrying. Oh, if that worry doesn't take a minute off your life, then it's not worth worrying about. Self-pride, I think, doing well. Actually, my dad. My dad's guided me through every job, every decision. I'd say from when I first started to now, the increased diversity. To like walking around my first Highways UK show to now, it's so different. So it's nice to see it improving. Like, there's still a way to go, but I can visually see it. I'd say Danny, the MD, helps a lot, to be honest, with childcare dropping out here and there. I think working for a company that's pretty easy to, I'm in the office today, not tomorrow. So having a flexible employer. Photoshop. I think I'd even out SMEs to larger companies or opportunities. I think as an SME we find it a little bit harder to win the bigger projects.